ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ನೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್, ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ trigonometric functions are continuous in its domain. Total 6 trigonometric functions idave. A total 6 trigonometric functions are continuous and respective domain. So sin x is continuous in real number, cos x is continuous in real number, so secant x is continuous in real number except 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay na? Adhe riti cot x is continuous, r minus set containing n pi. So set is next is tan x. Tan x is also r minus set containing 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is the domain. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ all trigonometric functions are continuous in its domain. ಅವುಗಳ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. Composition of two continuous function is again continuous function. Composition of two continuous function is again continuous function. So first one nodana is the first problem idralli. Composition of two continuous function is again continuous function. Already composition functions kaltidira first idralli first chapter relations functions alli. Show that the function f of x is equal to modulus of cos x is continuous. Show that the functions f of x equal to mod of cos x is continuous. Mod of cos x is the composition of two functions. Okay, so illenide solutions f of x is what? Mod of cos x. So mod of cos x ಈಗ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. f of x is equal to h composition g of x. What is h of x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ mod x, and g of x is equal to what? cos x. ನೋಡಿ, composition function definition ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. So composition h composition g of x is what? h of g of x. This is the definition of composition function. So h composition g of x is what? h of g of x. So h of g of x, here g of x is what? cos x. h of cos x, replace x by cos x in h of x. So what is h of cos x? Replace x by cos x in h of x. What is h of x here? Mod x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ mod x ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು? cos x ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ mod of cos x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ mod of cos x is composition of mod x and cos x. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, mod x is continuous function, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. mod x is continuous function, cos x is continuous functions. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ composition of two continuous function is again continuous functions. Okay, so we know that mod x and cos x are continuous in its domain, right? In its domain. Therefore, so we know that again ಏನು ಬರಿಬಹುದು? composition of two continuous function is continuous function. From note, composition of two continuous function is continuous functions. Therefore, f of x is continuous. f of x is continuous functions. ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ f of x is mod cos x. So mod cos x can be written as h composition g of x. By the definition of composition functions, h composition g of x is h of g of x. So h of, what is g of x here? Cos x. Agar h of cos x is what? In mod x. In mod x, replace x by what? Cos x. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ composition? h of cos x ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? In h of x, replace x by what? Cos x. We get what? Mod of cos x. Okay. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ mod of cos x ಏನಲ್ಲ, composition of mod x and cos x ನ composition ಏನು? Mod of cos x. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? ಸೊ mod x already continuous in real number. g of x is continuous. So h of x and g of x are continuous. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, composition of two continuous function is again continuous function ಅಂತ. mod x and cos x are continuous in its domain. We know that composition of two continuous function is again continuous functions. Therefore, what is f of x? Composition of a mod x and cos x. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ f of x is continuous functions, right?